welcome to step 3 and the wonderful world of filters. We've got a basic bar chart here we've built in step 2, and now we can make it more useful by adding 2 filters. We're going to add this tiny drop-down menu that lets us toggle between just male and female records, and this slider that lets us control the years that we're looking at. Adding filters is one of the simplest but most powerful functions in Tableau. Here's how it works. Just drag the variable, let's start with sex, to the filters card. We'll start by keeping just female records, and when we click OK, our visualization updates to just include records where the sex variable equals F. Now, to make this filter easier to interact with, we can go back to the filters card, click the drop-down menu on the data pill, and select Show Filter. Now we get this nifty card over here where we can easily toggle between male and female records. And if we want to change that F and M to female and male so it's easier to read, we can come over to the data pane, click the drop-down menu, select alias, and then type in what we want to see instead. And don't worry, this isn't changing your underlying data. Everything Tableau does sits on top of that data, so nothing's going to get messed up underneath. Now let's add our second filter, and we're going to be super sneaky here with a shortcut. Click on the drop-down menu on year in the data pane and select Show Filter. This adds the variable to the filters card and shows the filter in just one click. And notice that Tableau has given us a slider this time instead of checkboxes. Remember that continuous data exists on some spectrum, like numbers or time. And so we can see that Tableau thinks year is continuous because the data pill is green. The slider makes it much easier to narrow down the years by pulling these handles one way or the other instead of unchecking and rechecking a different box for each year. And that's it. That's adding filters, which is not too difficult, right? But think about it. It's super powerful. By having these filters available for your end users when you're all finished up with this dashboard, you've empowered them to tailor your bar chart to their questions. And now we're going to step it up a notch. Time for step 4 and the table calculation rank.